Jake, you've been blaming me from all those since you even made yourself. Even your demons are 100% innocent elements once you blame them too. Okay, you got me. Kasi, Jake, it already started here kasi. Kasi, di ba, you remember we when we came to your wife's 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 business anniversary, di ba? Tapos I came with you, of course, I'm your yaya. But that's already mean naman na mamatatuhin mo yung nanay-nanayon ko dito na si Nanang Meli. It doesn't already mean na she and me are on the blame. You should put the mic down on the table if it's not your part. Kasi it's not your part eh. You're in the place but you're not at that part. You're in the place but you're not at that part. Kasi hindi mo part yun eh. Mali naman na ipahiya mo ko. Tapos, pinagkalat mo sa kanila na siya yung dahilan kung bakit nawala yung garden mo eh. Best view shot mo doon. Most breathtaking mansion view. Then guys, I'm sorry. I thought I'm in the vlog. I'm just a little bit sleepy. Boss Jake. Yes, Nanang Meli was the reason why your garden view, which is your most breathtaking mansion view in this mansion, was lost. I told you over and over. Nanang Meli just fell off the floor, and because she was pushed by your favorite gardener here, that is young man, and she had mouth amnesia, and she thought she was commanded to cut all the plants here or in our garden here. I'm really sorry that happened, but that doesn't mean we are in blame.